The situation continues to remain very grave. The last time we got a confirmation from the hospitals, we have about 70 plus dead bodies that have reached our hospitals, and so steps are being taken for the inquest and post-mortem. But we have news that there are more people missing, and the casualty number may go up.
The NDRF teams are deployed at various locations where the landslide has occurred in Wayanad, and even in Kozhikode there was suspected a landslide. And maybe our team is also deployed in Kozhikode for further case or any case of contingencies and other things.
ഇന്നലെ രാത്രി പെയ്ത മഴയിലും ഉരുളുപൊട്ടൽ ഡാം തുറന്നതായിട്ട് ഈ ഏരിയയിൽ പല വീടുകളിലും ഇന്നലെ വെള്ളം കയറി.